Understanding the phrase, in someone's face, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and commonly used English idiom, in someone's face. This phrase can be a bit tricky for English learners, so we're here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how and when to use it effectively in conversation. First, let's explore the literal meaning of the phrase. When we say something is in your face, we are talking about physical proximity, something that is very close to your face. Imagine a bee flying right in front of your nose. It's in your face. But, in English idioms, phrases often have a figurative meaning that differs from the literal one. Now, let's get to the core of our topic. The figurative meaning of in someone's face. This idiom is used to describe actions or behaviors that are aggressive, confrontational, or overly assertive. It's like someone challenging you or pushing their ideas onto you in a very direct and often unwelcome manner. For example, if someone is arguing with you very aggressively, you might say they are getting in your face. Understanding the context is crucial. In someone's face can be used in various situations. In confrontations, when someone is arguing or challenging another person aggressively. In competition, athletes or competitors might get in the face of their opponents to intimidate them. In marketing, sometimes, advertisements are so direct and overwhelming that they feel in your face. Let's look at some example sentences to see how this phrase is used. 1. During the debate, he was really getting in his opponent's face, challenging every point. 2. The new marketing campaign is a bit too in your face for my taste. 3. I don't like when salespeople get in your face the moment you enter the store. It's helpful to know similar phrases or synonyms. Confrontational describes a direct and aggressive way of interacting. Aggressive, similar in meaning, though it can be used in a broader context. Intrusive, this word captures the sense of invading someone's personal space or privacy. And that's a wrap on in someone's face. Remember, while it's a common phrase in English, it's usually associated with aggressive or confrontational situations. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom confidently in your conversations. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.